Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need 3 things before enabling Always On: an iPhone 16 OLED model, current iOS, and battery features turned on. First, update iOS in Settings General Software Update. Once done, make sure Low Power Mode is off in Settings Battery because it disables low power display features. Then go immediately to Settings Display and Brightness to continue. Don't waste time adjusting wallpapers yet. Start at the Display and Brightness pane so the phone can show options required for always-on display activation. Now enable Always On in Settings Display and Brightness by toggling Always On to the right. You'll see immediate behavior changes. Once enabled, customize what appears. Choose whether notifications and live activities show, and pick lock screen widgets to display concise info. Make sure wallpaper contrast and dark mode settings are optimized because darker images reduce OLED power usage. If you use focus modes, check their lock screen settings so Always On behaves consistently across profiles and doesn't get disabled by a focus filter. Finish by locking your iPhone and confirming the Always On display shows time, widgets, and chosen notifications at a low brightness level. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches and recheck low power mode or low power battery settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Specific Focus lock screen overrides aren't hiding content. If problems persist, reset display settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset. And if needed, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics. This usually resolves persistent AOD faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.